Instagram, YouTube. Here you guys go. Look, I know you guys like to see that stuff. You guys like to see mountains and stuff. Oh, this must be San Bernardino because all I see is trucks, man. Trucks, maximum overdrive. But there's a view of the mountains, and this is a hotel close to my apartment. Eventually, once the masks are off, I'll be hanging out in the bar there. But till then, I ain't going to all this mask stuff. How you guys doing? Go check out my latest video. Talk to you a little bit how you can use the new program and start and how to use YouTube to grow your business. One thing you can use on YouTube to grow your business is the analytics. Go there and look at the views, and after you look at the views, just look at duration. See how long that person watched. Usually I have one video where it was 10 seconds. Now I went up to 250 seconds. What did I do to get that's like saying, here's 10 cents, Martin. Now, Martin, here's like $250, 25 times, 10 seconds, 25 times. What did I do to go from 10 cents to $25 or 10 cents to $250? So go check out, see what I'm talking about.